Hey friends, Miss Wendy here with the Fairfield Public Library, and today we are going to be making a Pikachu bookmark. Come join me and I'll show you how to make it. So friends, in the kit that you picked up at the library, you will find one sheet of yellow paper, one template for the ears, the tail, and the cheeks, and one eyes template. You'll also need some additional items: markers or coloring materials, a glue stick, a pencil, and scissors. All right, let's clear off our workspace and get started. So the first thing that we're going to do is fold our piece of rectangular paper to make a square. So you want to line up one corner with the other edge, making sure that this corner that you're folding is going to, the line will intersect right in the middle. So it's kind of like this. Pinch that there and then make sure that this lines up. So you don't want to fold it like this or like this, but this edge needs to line up with this edge. And then you can fold it the rest of the way down. Great. And now you can either just cut this part off, or to make a line so that you know where you're cutting, you can open this back up and now you have a line here to tell you where to cut. So grab your scissors and go ahead and cut this off. All right, now we're going to continue folding. If you put your paper like a triangle pointing toward you, these two ends are going to come down here. So what we're going to do is at this midpoint, we're going to fold this down to make another triangle. And again, at this midpoint, we'll fold this down to make another triangle. So now you have another square. We will open that back up. Now fold this point just one, so you're going to open this up even a little further. Take one point and fold it up to that center point. And now we'll fold this down and under. Now what I like to do to get the fold is just fold this up first, so I know where I'm going to be tucking. So I fold it up first, and then I fold it the other way. And the other way, so that I can go ahead and tuck these underneath. All right, so friends, you can put this code in your Beanstack account for some extra points. PLAY, P-L-A-Y. Now we can go ahead and cut these out. What I'm going to suggest is that you leave the edge here and cut on the inside of the black line, the outline. This is going to be colored in, and then again with the tail, cut on the inside of the black line so you don't see the line when you're using it. The cheek doesn't really matter as much, so I'm going to cut on the inside, just on the inside of that ear. Okay, so we have all our parts cut out. Now take this yellow sheet of paper and we're going to color the ears, the top of the ears. We're going to color them black. So black, you can go ahead and color. If you want, you can color the back as well. You don't have to, but if you want to, go ahead and turn it over and you can see where you've colored on the front. So just go ahead and follow that line on the back. color the other ear. Okay. And now a little part on the tail. And brown on the tail up to like the first corner. All right. So let's go ahead and glue these things on. And we'll glue, you bring that paper back if you want, and put some glue on the front bottom of your ear and just place the ear. Other one. And now the tail. Now we're going to draw the cheeks and the nose and the mouth. You can trace this little circle for the cheek, or you can just color it in freehand if you want. All right, and color them in red. And now for the nose. The nose is just a little circle, and then the mouth is one smile and the other smile. So it goes like this. So we'll make a little circle in between. And then one smile and the other smile. Just like that. You can grab a book, and this is how it works. When you're done reading, put Pikachu right there, and Pikachu will hold your space for you. Remember to clean up. All right, nice job, friends. Woohoo! So friends, I hope you had so much fun making your Pikachu bookmark. Please join us at the library this summer or for more DIY crafts. Also, check our calendar for upcoming programming. Thanks so much for joining me, friends. Have a great day. Bye-bye.